everyone. So today I'm going to make Bangle. This is the mold for the Bangle. It's like a chunky one. See, it's pretty thick. Haven't made one yet, so this is my first time using this mold. So let's see how it comes out. Okay. First thing I'm going to do is mix my epoxy. Okay, I'm going to use alcohol inks and glitter. I'm going to use rose gold alcohol inks from Ranger and this glitter. I used to sell this glitter. I don't sell glitter anymore, but I used to sell it. It was called Heaven. I have a lot left over, so if anybody's interested, you can just give me a holler. But I'm going to mix that in. I love this color. Okay. Make sure alcohol inks these. This one's a pearl one, and it always seems like it needs a really. This is rose gold. Just a few drops. Kind of wanted a little bit see-through, but I don't know if it's going to be. We'll see. I really want to be able to see all the glitter. See how it's kind of see-through? And that's how I like it. And put a little bit of glitter, just a little bit. Don't overpower it, because sometimes too much of a good thing is just not a good thing. Do a little bit more. I think I like that. See? Okay. Now when I put it in this one, I am going to bend it a little bit because I'm going to make sure that every single corner gets it. And some people stick like those pipettes in there. I don't really like doing that. And I really don't like having air bubbles, so I feel like when you do it this way, you don't get that. When you do the pipette, you're like pushing air into your mold, and it can create bubbles. Guess we're gonna need some more. That's fine. That's why I have all this. I don't know what's happening with y'all, but we have a tropical storm. We thought it was going to hit us head on, but it's going towards Corpus Christi, so my phone's going off telling me I'm going to have a tropical storm warning. It couldn't get any better this year, right? Can't. I'm not going to put one this time because I had maybe 1.5. I did 3 last time.
Why you be still my wheel?
Hmm?
Why you be still
Can you not talk while I'm on here?
my wheel?
Jacob?
My wheel.
Hold on a second, I got 5-year-old. Where's the rain?
Where's that go?
Over here.
Where's that go?
I'll get it. Hey, go in my room and get the other glove off my bed. And you're going to play and see you. Okay, I'm almost done. Okay? Why could the other glove? Okay, we're gonna put a little bit more glitter because it seems like it needs a little bit more. Okay, before I put that in though, I'm gonna get these, because I'm gonna put these little flower things in there. But I think I'm gonna have to use pink or something, or green, because I don't think you'll be able to see the other ones. Let me get. Just kind of put them in like so. There's no rhyme or reason, just get them in there. I don't know, they look kind of like some like florally. I had the coral ones in here. Those ones were my favorite. They were like a coral color. I ran out of those a long time ago. And I can't seem to find these anymore. And maybe to kind of stick them down in there. Because I'm going to put some on top though, some more epoxy, so be okay, but I want them to kind of be in there. Okay, now you're going to need to let this dry for at least 20 to 24 hours before you can mold it. Because if you do it too early, it's going to be still flexible and then it's going to dry like not like the bangle. Okay? So I'll see you in 24 hours. Okay, here's the unmolding. This is a new mold, like I haven't used this yet. Careful. Okay. I like it. Look. Let me turn the light. You guys can't even see anything. Sorry about that. Ooh, it's so pretty. Can't see it perfectly, and then I'm going to put epoxy right here around this part because it kind of goes in like this. Like it kind of divots in. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it. See? How there's like a light goes down. Come on, focus. Anyways, and this one's like straight across, so I'm gonna put some epoxy on that, and then all done.